Little after Mayhem gas station takeover. Couple cars over here, one over there. It's a clean ass Monte Carlo. Stock under the hood. Oh yeah, and he bagged. Ooh. You won it in a raffle? Damn, okay.
About 5 tickets, $100 each.
Damn.
We're not doing that over here though. We're definitely not doing that. We're not doing that over here. We're not definitely doing that over here.
So we on what street? What is this?
This is called Ohio. We're on the corner of Ohio and LaSalle.
Ohio,
Rock and Roll McDonald's.
Rock and Roll. You know what? I came to this McDonald's when we came in 18.
They rebuilt it completely. I'm sure it's not the same one.
Yeah, one of Marvin's friends brought us down here. Yeah, this is some Atlanta shit too.
Niggas be thinking they be slick. Nah, nigga, don't do shit. You can stand up here if you want to get a bird's eye. Just watch out for the rollers.
This shit lit. This shit crazy. Yeah, you stuck.
Yeah, I ain't worried. I ain't trying to leave. I ain't trying to leave.
y'all. So, headed home. We left out Chicago around 9 this morning. It's about 5:30. And we're almost home. We're about 3 hours away. We're just outside of Nashville. And pretty cool. We're rolling down the highway, and you know, last night people were stopping, taking pictures of the car and stuff. Today it was a lot, I guess, because we were driving all day, but several people pulling up next to me, thumbs up, videoing out the car, stuff like that. And as I'm coming through Kentucky, it was one guy. He was riding next to me, and I was like trying to show him my hat, you know, so he could tag me, because I saw he had a GoPro and stuff. And he was like, I tagged you. And I was like, how do you even know who I was? And it was 502 Whips. So I'll post the video. Shout out to him for grabbing that footage of me sliding down the highway. And then, you know, the plan was to go through to Nashville, grab some dinner, and then do the last 2.5 hours home. But my son had to use the bathroom, so we stopped off at some exit, I don't know, whatever the first exit I saw. And a subscriber came up to me. I think it's, damn, I forgot his name already. I was like, I'm gonna film now so I don't forget his name. Stephen Townsend, I think his name was. But he came up to me, he's like, man, I recognize the car, I'm a subscriber. He told me about his 95, LS swap and everything. So pretty cool. You know, I'm in the middle of nowhere, Kentucky. Oh no, I think I'm in Tennessee now. Yeah, I think I'm in Franklin, that's where I am. But just random, you know, that he saw the car and knew who I was and stuff like that. So just wanted to, you know, give him a shout out, and 502 Whips for the footage sliding down the highway. That was pretty cool. So we got just a couple hours left, and we're just gonna book it to the house. So I'll see y'all in the next one.